Hello children, last time we have discussed the pattern printed with nested loop, and I have told you that you have to do these questions using substring. So here I am discussing the question of these patterns using substring. So here substring, let me revise you, tell you, take a revision. Substring is a method in string function. There are two formats of substring. Let me explain you. The one is substring, say int p. Substring's format, this format, what it does is it picks up the characters from the given position till the end of the string. Say if we have Akash, we have given the position, suppose this. I want to pick the string from this position till the end. So what I'll do, I'll write down, say this is string S. So I'll write down S dot substring 2. So what it will do, it will start picking characters from two position till the end of the string. This is the first format of substring. Second format of substring was substring int p, int q. Now what this substring method does in string, say we have a word, say computer, and we want to pick only the characters in between the string. Say this put I want to pick. So I'll give, you know that the position will be allotted to every string inside the computer starting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I want to pick this put word. So the position is starting from 3 till 5. So what I have to do, I have to write down substring 3, 5. Now 3 is the initial position, 5 is the final position. But there is a problem in this function that the final character position which you have given, it doesn't pick this character. It picks up the previous character from this position. So what you have to do is you have to write down here 6. Now it will start picking character from, this is inclusive, this is exclusive. It start picking character from this position and it start keep on picking character before the character from the final position. So it will pick from third character till fifth character. So this is the substring second format. Now I am doing these questions using substring. I have entered the string, then I am finding out the length of the string, then I am declaring a variable ch as string ch. Then I am started picking character from 1 to L. In the case of Akash, the length is 5. So 1 to 5. I am writing here ch is equal to s dot substring 0, 0, sorry. So the first position is 1, 0, 1. I told you that start picking character from this character, but the previous character from the final position. So 0 to 1, it will pick 0 position character and it will print A. Then the next character, next value I is 2. S dot substring 0, 2. So it will pick the character from the position 0 and 1, not the second one. 0, 1, the whole string will become AK. Then 0 to 3, 0 to 2, 0, 1 it will pick. Then the value of I will become 3. 0 to 3 matlab 0, 1, 2. यानी कि AKA. Then the value of I will become 4. From 0 to 4, that means 0 to 3. AKAS. And so on, and it will print the given format. Right? In the same way, the second format is this. Akash, AKA, AK and A. String I have entered S. The length of the string is L. Character CH I have taken. I am writing here L to 1, reverse loop. L to 1. That means in the case of Akash, the length of Akash is 5. So 5 to 1. S dot substring 0, 5. 0, 5. 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. When I will take 0 to 5, it will start picking character from 0 till 4. CH will print AKASH. The I will become 4. Now I am telling the computer to pick the character from 0 to 4. When I'll say 0 to 4, it will start picking character from 0 till 3, because this is the nature of substring. It inclusive the 0 position, but the final position is exclusive. It doesn't pick this character, but the previous character of this position given. So 0 to 4, when I'll write, it will pick character from 0 to 3, AKAS, and then AK, then AK, and then A, right? So this is the second format using substring. Now come to the third position, that is H, SH, ASH, KSH, Akash. Now let's see if we have a problem, say Akash. I am picking the character from H till the end, S till the end, A till the end, K till the end, A till the end. So I am using the first format of substring here. I am writing here L minus 1 to 0, I minus minus. String entered, defined character CH, length is S dot length, L minus 1 to 0. In the case of Akash, I am telling 4 to 0. Now when I say S dot substring I, S dot substring 4, S dot substring 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, when I am telling 4 till the end of the string, that means H. Then it will become 3 till end, because I am using the first format of substring. 3 till end, SH. 2 till end, ASH. 1 till end, KSH. 0 till end, AKSH. And this way, this output will be printed out. Now, see the question number, the fourth pattern, that is A, AK, AKAS, AKAS, AKA, AKAS, AKASH, AKAS, this kind of. So this is the mixture of question number, the first pattern and the second pattern. Now how will I do it? Using substring. I am just entering the string, taking the length, char ch, 1 to L, as dot substring 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This output will come with the help of this loop. And then L minus 1 till 1. L minus 1 means 4. In the case of Akash, 4 to 1. 0, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 4 means 0 to 3, AKAS. 0 to 3, AKA. 0 to 2, AK. 0 to 1, A. Now remaining output will come with the second loop, and with this both the loops, this output will come on the screen. Now come to next question number 13, as per the assignment. It says enter a string and print it in reverse. I have told you the concatenation operator. In this, with the help of that, we can add two strings, and I have also told you the plus operator to concatenate. If you want to add two strings, AK and BK, I can use concat AK dot concat BK, or I can write AK plus BK. So this plus operator also adds up the string. Now what I am doing here is, I am entering the string, I am taking the length, declaring the character CH, string W, and whenever we declare a accumulator, we are using W as an accumulator. So we have to initialize W as double quotes. Now what I am doing here is, see, say in the case of Akash, every time I am picking a character, one line is missing here, CH is equal to S dot char at I. So I is 0, I am picking up the first character. I is 0, I am picking the first character. First character is A. And what I am doing, W is equal to CH plus A. W is empty, as you can see here. A in W. So W will become A. Right? Because I have added A to nothing. So W will become A. The next character is K. I am picking K. But I am adding K from the previous value of W. W contains A, then K and A will be added. It will become KA. Now the next character will be Akash. In the case of Akash, AKA. The next character will be A. That A will be added in the previous value of W. Previous value of W is KA. So KA, A will be added from left hand side in KA. it will become aka. Then again the next character is s. S will be added in the previous value of w. The previous value of w is aka. S is added from left hand side, s aka, and the last character is h, and h will be added from left hand side. So this is going to make this word reverse. This is a very important question, to reverse a word from reversing a string, a word which is given you, and you have to reverse that word, right? Now today I am discussing only question number till number 13. We'll discuss the rest of the question in the next class. Thank you very much. If you have any query, any problem, you can discuss it on the group. Thank you very much.